Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your HSBC credit card rewards, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HSBC online banking account. Navigate to the credit cards section in the main menu. Look for the rewards tab and click on it. Once on the rewards page, review the overview of your current rewards balance. Determine which type of rewards you want to configure, such as cashback or travel points. Select the Manage Rewards option. Follow the prompts to personalize your rewards preferences. You may be asked to choose a primary reward category based on your spending habits. Review the available categories and select the one that suits your needs best. After selecting, confirm your choice by clicking on the Save Changes button. Next, check the options for redeeming your rewards. Explore the different redemption methods available, including statement credits and merchandise. Choose the redemption option that appeals to you the most. If opting for travel rewards, check for any promotional offers for flights or hotel bookings. Ensure that you understand the terms and conditions associated with each redemption option. Once you have made your selections, proceed to finalize your configuration. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your rewards settings have been updated. Consider revisiting this page periodically to adjust your rewards configuration as needed. Remember to track your rewards regularly to make the most of your benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.